For this video, we're going to talk about what happens to a page when you assign it a template, and actually what is a template. So we're using the theme 2023. So if you go over to Appearance and you go over to Editor, you're going to get to the different options. These are your design options. So you can go over, your pages can also be accessed here, but we're going to focus on the templates. So these are the templates that come with the theme. Okay, so you can see them over, you can preview them over here. So there is the index template. In the index template, you get a navigation bar, you get a featured image, you get different blocks, and you get all this you get the footer and all this stuff over here. Okay, so that's the index. You get a major pages one, which is right here. So here is pages. Okay, so say we go over to edit this template, you can see what's on here. What is on here is a header block, which is here. We have a footer. The footer is down here. And then inside this group block, we have a content block right here, which has the page content, and then this comments thing over here. Okay, so that's one of the ones that we have. If we go over to blank, okay, so we're going to edit blank. This one, all this has is it has the content block right here. So this is the stuff that's going to be on the page. It has no header, it has no footer, it's just blank. So this is just going to, if you choose a blank template, you're just going to get what you made on your page. Okay, so let's go back over here. Let's see how this is going to work. So let's go back over to our pages. And here's our page one. So let's edit that. Okay, so this is what I have over here. So for page one, I have made a column block. And inside my column block, I have put an image of a fish, and I have put a heading, some words, and a paragraph. Okay, so this is what I have. This is the content. This is the page title. The page title may or may not show up, depending upon whether your template has a page title block or not. So this may or may not show up. Okay, so right now, if I go over here, to where it says page, this is the template that's being used. Right now it's assigned the template pages, which is what I showed you before, that had the header and the footer. Okay, so that's the current one right with the content. And now we're going to look and see what this looks like when we're adding the pages template to it. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so now here we have the content, right, that we made. And it also has the title, the page title. It has the header, and it has a footer, because that's what was in that pages template. So now we're going to see what happens if we change the template to a blank template. Okay, let's update that. And remember, that one only had the content block. So let's update that, right? That's all I have with the content. So exactly what you had on your page is what's going to be here with no header and no footer. So that is how templates work. You assign a page a template, you design the template separately, and then you put them together.